How cache memory works. Welcome back to Starter Pack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamp and build custom software solutions. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO with over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development. I've mastered the art of transforming technology, teams, and products. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic, how cache memory works. So let's dive in. Alright, today we're diving into something that every software developer should understand, how cache memory works. If there's one thing that's crucial to my programming toolkit, it's the CPU cache. Cache is a double-edged sword. For programmers who grasp its working, it can greatly simplify your tasks. But for those who don't, it can turn their lives into a real headache. So let's talk about the basics of cache memory. Cache memory is a small, high-speed storage mechanism that sits between the CPU and the main memory. Its primary purpose is to reduce the time it takes for the CPU to access frequently used data. Think of it as a middleman that stores copies of frequently accessed data for quick retrieval. During my time as a developer, optimizing our systems for speed was crucial, and understanding cache memory played a significant role. In essence, cache memory improves overall system performance by minimizing the latency involved in the data retrieval. Now, there's different levels of cache. There are typically 3 levels of cache: L1, L2, and L3. L1 cache is the smallest and fastest, located directly on the CPU chip. L2 and L3 caches are larger but slower, providing additional layers of data storage closer to the CPU than the main memory. So each level serves to store increasingly larger amounts of data, ensuring that the most frequently accessed information is always readily available to the CPU. Now, cache mapping and replacement policies are important. Cache mapping determines how data is loaded into the cache, with common methods including direct mapping, associated mapping, and set associative mappings. These methods dictate how the cache locates and retrieves the data. Replacement policies such as least recently used, or LRU, and first in, first out, or FIFO, determine which data is discarded when the cache is full. With my experience, I found that fine-tuning these policies was vital for maintaining optimal performance. The right combination of mapping and replacement strategies ensure that the cache remains efficient and effective. So let's talk about cache coherence. Cache coherence is essential in multiprocessor systems to ensure that all processors have a consistent view of memory. When one processor updates data in its cache, other processors must be aware of this change. Protocols like MESA, which is modify, exclusive, shared, invalid, manage this coherence. Through my 25 years as a software developer, dealing with cache coherence issues was a frequent challenge. Maintaining coherence is critical to prevent data corruption and ensure that all processors work with the most up-to-date cache. So let's dive into some real-world applications and performance impact. In a real-world application, cache memory significantly enhances the performance of various systems, from personal computers to larger servers. By reducing access time and improving data throughput, cache memory ensures that systems run smoothly and efficiently. In 2024, understanding and optimizing cache memory is more important than ever. As software demands continue to grow and evolve, make sure you are finding the best uses for this, and is one of the best tricks to make your application really performant. So understanding cache memory is key to improving system performance and efficiency. Stay curious and keep learning. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love to have a great discussion, so leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamps and to build custom software solutions for companies. So hit the link down below or check out starterpack.com/Spencer today.